The Boss Baby, an unlikely adventure. In the bustling city of Baby Corp, where babies are prepared for their missions in the world of adults, a new arrival shakes things up. Meet Tim, an imaginative and adventurous 7-year-old boy who loves nothing more than spending time with his parents. But Tim's world is turned upside down when his parents bring home a new baby brother, Theodore, who arrives in a business suit and carrying a briefcase. To Tim's surprise, Theodore isn't like other babies. He's a secret agent working for Baby Corp, on a mission to stop Puppy Company, a rival company planning to launch a new line of adorable puppies that will steal all the love from babies. At first, Tim and Theodore, nicknamed the Boss Baby, don't get along. Tim feels jealous and resentful of the attention his parents give to his new brother, while Theodore is focused solely on his mission. But when they discover Puppy Company's sinister plot to replace babies with puppies, they realize they must work together to save their family and the future of Baby Corp. Through a series of wild and hilarious adventures, Tim and Theodore form an unlikely bond as they navigate the challenges of sibling rivalry, corporate espionage, and the perils of the adult world. Along the way, they encounter a colorful cast of characters, including a cunning tabby cat named Whiskers and a group of rebellious puppies led by the charismatic Butch. As they race against time to thwart Puppy Company's plans, Tim and Theodore learn valuable lessons about teamwork, friendship, and the importance of family. In the end, they discover that the true power of love and imagination can overcome even the most formidable challenges. Filled with humor, heart, and unforgettable characters, The Boss Baby, an unlikely adventure, is a delightful tale that celebrates the magic of childhood, the bonds of family, and the limitless power of imagination. Join Tim and Theodore on their epic journey and experience the joy and wonder of their unforgettable adventure. As Tim and Theodore delve deeper into their mission to stop Puppy Company, they face increasingly difficult challenges and obstacles. They must navigate the dangerous world of corporate espionage, outsmarting Puppy Company's CEO, Francis, and his team of cunning executives. Along the way, Tim and Theodore encounter a variety of colorful characters who aid them in their quest. From a group of street-smart alley cats to a team of misfit puppies, each character brings their own unique skills and personality to the adventure. Despite their differences, Tim and Theodore learn to appreciate each other's strengths and weaknesses. Tim discovers that Theodore isn't just a bossy baby. He's also brave, resourceful, and fiercely loyal. And Theodore realizes that Tim isn't just a jealous older brother. He's also clever, imaginative, and full of heart. As the stakes grow higher, Tim and Theodore must rely on each other more than ever before. Together, they devise a daring plan to infiltrate Puppy Company's headquarters, rescue their parents, and save the day. In the end, Tim and Theodore emerge victorious, foiling Puppy Company's plans and restoring order to Baby Corporation. But the greatest victory of all is the bond they forged along the way, a bond that will last a lifetime and beyond. Filled with action, adventure, and heartwarming moments, The Boss Baby, an unlikely adventure, is a story about the power of friendship, the importance of family, and the magic of believing in yourself. Join Tim and Theodore on their epic journey and experience the joy and excitement of their unforgettable adventure. As Tim and Theodore's adventure unfolds, they encounter numerous twists and turns that keep them on their toes. From daring escape attempts to heart-pounding showdowns with Puppy Company's minions, every moment is filled with excitement and suspense. Along the way, Tim and Theodore learn valuable lessons about courage, perseverance, and the importance of never giving up. They discover that true bravery isn't about being fearless, but about facing your fears head-on and doing what's right, even when it's difficult. Despite the challenges they face, Tim and Theodore never lose sight of their ultimate goal: to save their family and protect the future of Baby Corporation. Their determination and unwavering commitment to each other inspire everyone around them, from the street-smart alley cats to the misfit puppies,